In every child, there is a spark, a dream waiting to be awakened. But in the world of racing ahead of with technology, how many are being left behind? At 1-to-1 Teaching-Learning Ltd, we believe every learner matters. That's why we bring digital skills, coding, language learning, and creativity directly to our communities, one learner at a time. From scratch programming to WordPress web design to languages like English, French, and Swahili, we'll keep learners and educators with real-world skills to thrive in the digital age. Our approach is simple but powerful. One teacher to one learner. Personal, flexible, impactful, whether it's offline, mobile-friendly, or face-to-face, we meet learners where they are. We are not just teaching, we are building Rwanda's future. One child, one skill, one dream at a time. Join us today. Let's make digital education a right, not a privilege. My name is Teacher Emmanuel. Until we meet again, bye-bye.